Hello, it's Alicia with Ali.plans.cuteness, and I have a super fun surprise that I wanted to share, and I wanted to video my opening. So this is Happy Mail from Tina, from Tina's Craft Creations. As you may know, if you've been watching our videos, we were sending each other a lot of stuff for swaps, and that kind of slowed down because, you know, Ollie's has slowed down for the holidays. Um, but she messaged me the other day and was like, "Did you get my package?" And I had no idea that she was sending me something. So I'm so excited. This is just some little miscellaneous stuff. I took it out of the box so I could record, but other than that, I haven't really gone through it. But so let's look at it together. So this is a card. It's very cute. These are like little foam, and it says, "Alicia and family, sending you Christmas cheer that lasts throughout the year. Merry Christmas, love, Tina, from Tina's Craft Creations." So sweet. I told her I intend to send stuff out, but I'm so like end of the school year, like I just basically, between probably the week before Thanksgiving, I don't even know, most of November honestly, and now I've just been like in crazed busy mode. Like, people were sick and had appointments and days off school, and then like holidays, and it's just been madness. So I'm finally slowing down, but I told her I was gonna need I'm gonna save these because I think these are like what she made. I was like, I need a belated Christmas. Like, there's all kinds of belated birthday sentiments. I need a belated, like, hello, I just got my life together and I still wanted to send you something for Christmas kind of sentiments. This stuff, so I don't know about these, but some of this stuff is from Ollie's, but we just like, normally we would get stuff and kind of store it up and then send it, but since we haven't been sending for a while, I forgot about these things. So the stapler with the colored staples, that is very exciting. These, I don't know if she got these at Ollie's or if she got these from like officesupply.com, but I love this collection. I picked up a couple of these things, but I will definitely use more. So this I know I picked up, but I love them. Like, look at how cute these are. And I of course have little boys, so this is like perfect. I can't remember if I got these though. But so we've got the cardstock stickers. There's the back, and then the puffy stickers. So these are so cool. I love this. This collection is so fun. Once the holidays are over, this is probably one of the first ones I will be playing with. So yay, thank you so much. And then this, okay, so I had forgotten about this. So this is a giant crocodile. And it's like an actual crocodile. I thought it was like maybe a generic one or something, but no, it's like the actual We Are Makers Big Bite, and it's so cool. So it comes with like the packaging, it comes with, or like the container, it comes with some extra little eyelets and the directions. This is amazing. Like, this would be, I don't even know, 20, 30, $40 new. I'm not even sure. These are expensive. So the fact that she found this at Ollie's, that was so exciting. And then these papers. I don't remember asking for these, but I probably did at some point. But this is cool because some of these, like pink paisley, I think there's two pink paisley Paige Evans. I think there's Horizon and then maybe like Wonder. And I've gotten a few random pieces here and there, but I've been trying to collect more. So this is awesome. This will add to that collection. So thank you so much. So that is the stuff that I assume is mostly from Ollie's. Again, the Cool Boy stuff she might have just sent me. I can't remember if I asked for Ollie's, but then these I'm sure she put together. So let's take a look and see. This one says Cole. It's so cute. So we got a candy cane. Yum. This one is treats. Ooh, Reese's. I love Reese's. And an ornament marshmallow. Very cool. So thank you. Holiday treats. This feels like soft. Let's see. Ooh, handmade goodies. Ooh, some chapstick, hot chocolate chapstick. Very cool. These are so cute. Look at the little snowman and the camper. Oh, I love them. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. I love this. We got a couple Memdexes. Oh, this is adorable. I wonder what collection this is. I have to go back and see if she's got like a video or just ask her. These little puffy stickers. These are so cute. Love that. And then, oh, these are fun. So like some little cards. I've been seeing people picking up stuff from like Target and other places, like playing cards, because they're like really cool to use just as like added deco. These are adorable. They're totally my style. I love that. And I love the idea of like sharing some, because I got a couple, it was like in the spring, I got a couple of shaped card decks from Five Below. I got like a strawberry one, and I got like a gummy bear type one, and I don't need 52 of one shape. I just wanted a few. So that's such a good idea. I don't know why I didn't think to like separate it and send it out. And a really cute clip. And then these tags. Oh, they're so pretty. I love this. Oh, thank you so much, Tina. I just love it. This just makes me feel so special. Like this unexpected happy mail, the fact that you thought about me. Oh my goodness, it just warms my heart. So thank you, Tina. I hope you know how much I appreciate it. I love these. I need to know what collection you used, because they're too flippin' cute. But thank you. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday, and someday at some point I will hopefully send out some holiday happy mail as well. It might be in January. It's okay. It'll be fine. It'll be during the winter break. All right. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye.